The first thing you need to understand when it comes to tools and connectors is that really it's communicating through something called JSON. I'm not going to get into what that stands for, but it's important because this is a sort of language that is both human readable and computer readable. This makes it really easy for AI to essentially fill this thing out and do the task. When you look at JSON, it's typically going to be structured with some sort of key and then the value. So the key being the category of this value, and then the value being the actual value. So you can see here in this example, we have a key of first name, and so you would expect that value to be Joseph in my case. So we have this key, first name, we have this value, Joseph, but there are a bunch of different types and categories of values we can have. The first is strings. These are just words like Joseph. A Boolean. This is true or false, yes or no. A number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or an array. This is just a list of different things. Where things get a little complex with JSON is you can have these multi-keyed objects. So you have an object that has multiple values that are associated with it. So in my earlier example, you might have an object that has a first name, a last name, a email, and can I contact this person, yes or no? In this case here, in this short little example, you might have something that is called objects. We then have a list of different things and values. So in this case, we have nested. So is this nested or not? It is. So we say true. And then the depth, which would be a number, we go to, and there's the nested and the depth. These are the basics of JSON. It's human and computer readable, and it's just a way to structure data and information that can be easily parsed and used in whatever way you want.